Students, let's have a 106th maths class. Look at that question, students. Find the vector joining the points P2, 3, 0, Q, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, directed from P to Q. Also find direction cosines. So simple question, students. Tell me a vector. So joining these 2 points, vector joining P and Q. You only tell that vector joining P and Q is vector PQ. Vector joining P and Q is what? Vector PQ required. So right, vector PQ. Vector PQ means it is a vector. Vector PQ means it is the vector. Vector PQ means it is the vector obtained by joining P and Q. P is the starting point, P is initial point, Q is terminal point. This is vector PQ, vector PQ, vector PQ, right? P is initial point, Q is terminal point. What is the direction of vector PQ? From P to Q. So I told that in that first video itself. Remember that. Vector PQ. Students, I told you, solution. Whenever point is given, how do you change? How you change the given point into vector using PVs? I made that note already in your notes. P point, changing point into vector means you use position vector. How do you write this point into vector? Vector OP, vector OP. Tell me vector OP, 2i plus 3j plus 0k, not required. 2i plus 3j. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಓ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ. ಪಿ ವಿ ಸರ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಓ ಪಿ 2i plus 3j. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಓ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ PVs. Remember that points are nothing but PVs. Position vectors. What is this vector OP called? Position vector. A vector whose initial point is O is called as position vector. I explained that, right? In position vector, this is called as position vector because it's containing the origin O. Vector which contains the origin O is called as what? Position vector. Vector OQ. Tell me vector OQ. Minus I, minus 2j, minus 4k. So which vector required? For us, so vector PQ required. Vector PQ. So vector PQ. Tell me what is vector PQ? OQ minus OP. Just in that last video I explained this. Reversal law. Reverse and right. PQ. What is vector PQ? OQ minus OP. Just before I written that. PQ means OQ minus OP. Substitute. So what is OQ? Tell me OQ value. Minus I, minus 2j, minus 4k. Multiply OP by minus. Multiply vector OP by what? Minus 2i, minus 3j. Simplify this. So right, minus I, minus 2i. How much is minus I, minus 2i? Minus 3i. Next j, minus 2j, minus 3j, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5j. Next k, we have only one k term, that is minus 4k. So we found vector PQ, required vector. We got required vector. Still we need to find out this is element values. What is L? A by root of a square plus b square plus c square. M? B by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So N? C by root of. Calculate element value. L. A by. Tell me A. A means minus 3 by root of minus 3 whole square 9. 5 square 25. 4 square 16 plus 16. So that is minus 3 by. So count this, total it. 20 plus 10, 30, 39 plus 5, 44. 44 plus 6. How much is 44 plus 6? 50. So root 50. Root 50. Is that correct? So 25. 60 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 25, 50. M. Similarly, you tell me M value. M is minus 5 by root 50. So tell me N value. Minus 4 by root 50. So we got this is also. Next question. Let us move on to next question. Next question is if show that next question show that vector A equals 1 by root 3 I minus 1 by root 3 j plus 1 by root 3 k is unit vector. When that given vector is said to be unit vector, when we take the given vector as unit vector means its length 1. If length of a vector becomes 1, if length of the vector is 1, then we call that as a unit vector. Unit vector means the length of the vector is 1. Just calculate its length. If we get that as 1, it should be unit vector. So length of the vector A. Solution. Length of the vector A. Length means height pakka square. Length means height pakka square plus j pakka square plus k pakka square. Height pakka 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square 1 by 3. J pakka 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 whole square 1 by 3. K pakka 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square 1 by 3. So look at the students. Same denominators are the numerators. Same denominators are the numerators. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 by 3. So root 1. So it is 1. So then what is that vector A? Unit vector. Because its length is 1. Define unit vector. Vector with unit magnitude is called as unit vector. Therefore, vector A is unit vector. Vector A is unit vector. So right, next question. So right, if vector A equals if vector A equals I minus 2j plus k, comma, vector B equals minus 2i plus 4j plus 5k and vector C equals I minus 6j minus 7k. Right. Find magnitude of A plus 2b minus 3c. So find out length of the vector A plus 2b minus 3c. First you calculate vector A plus 2 into vector B minus 3 into vector C. So write, so A plus 2B minus 3C. A plus 2B minus 3C. A. Substitute for vector A. I minus 2J plus K. 2B. Multiply vector B by 2. Multiply vector B by 2. Vector B by 2. So write, so vector B by 2. Multiply vector B by 2. So write, 2 2s are minus 4. Vector B by 2 minus 4 minus 4i plus 4 2s are 8j plus 5 2s are 10k. Next minus 3c. Multiply vector C by minus 3. Multiply vector C by minus 3. Minus 3i minus into minus plus 6 3s are 18j minus into minus plus 7 3s are 21k. So right, is it correct? Vector A I minus 2j plus k multiply vector B by 2. So B by 2, so that is minus 2 into 2 minus 4i, 2 4s are 8j, 2 5s are 10k, multiply vector C by minus 3, minus 3i, minus into minus plus 6 3s are 18j, minus into minus plus, so 7 3s are 21k. Simplify this. I minus 4i minus 3i minus 7i minus 7i plus 1i, it is 6 minus 6i minus 6i 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 minus 7 plus 1 minus 6 2j 8j 18j 18 plus 8 26 26 minus 2 24j k 21 plus 10 31 31 plus k 32k 32k. So 8j I minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 minus 7 plus 1 minus 6 j's minus 2 18 plus 8 26 26 minus 2 24 k 10k 21 10 plus 21 31 31 plus 1 32. Length required. We found this a plus 2b minus 3c. Now calculate its length. Length magnitude a plus 2b minus 3c. Magnitude means root of length. Length of the vector. Length of the vector means root of 5 pi square. 6 square 36. 24 square. Tell me 24 square. Use calculator and tell that. 24 square. 24 square. 24 square 576 plus 32 square 32 square 1024 32 square 1034. Tell me this total. 1636, correct? 16 is, I hope you understood this, students. Let's go for next question. Let us go for one more question. Find the values of find the values of find the values of x and y so that the vectors 2i plus 3j and xi plus yj are equal. Solution, right? So these two vectors are equal. 2i plus 3j is equal to xi plus yj. Tell me x value, y value, students. So that is x equals to, so y equals 3. X equals to y equals 3. That's all. Next question. So next question. Let's go for one more question. Find the scalar and vector components vector components of the vector A equals minus 2I plus 3j plus 5k. Here it is asked to write scalar and vector components. Solution. Scalar components are, tell me scalar components, students. Minus 2, 3, 5. Next you write vector components are, tell me vector components are minus 2I, 3j, 5k. Vectors. Magnitude into unit vector. This quantity is a vector. Because we have a direction. I, j, k are nothing but directions. I is the direction of x axis, j is the direction of y axis, k is the direction of z axis. Directions are present means they must be vectors. With directions, vectors. Without directions, scalars. Next question. You go for next question. Next question. Find the scalar and vector components. Find the scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point 2, 1 and terminal point minus 5, 7. Solution. It's so easy question, friends. Find the scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point given, terminal point, starting point given, end point given. You name the starting point as A, 2, 1. You name the end point as B, minus 5, 7. In vectors, you know how to change points into vectors. You learned how to change points into vectors. How do you change? How you change this point into vector? PVs, vector OA. Tell me that 2I plus 1j. So next vector OP. Tell me vector OP minus 5I plus 7j. Changing points into what? Vectors. B. Tell me a vector whose initial point is A and terminal point is B. Which vector is having initial point as A, terminal point as B? Vector AB. In vector AB, A is starting point, B is end point. What is there in that? Vector AB required. Tell me vector AB, OP minus OA. Vector AB means OB minus OA. Reversal law. Substitute and simplify. OB minus 5I plus 7j. Multiply vector OA by minus 2I minus j. Simplify that. Minus 5I minus 2j 2I minus 5 minus 2 minus 7I. So 7j minus 1j. 7j minus 1j 6j. What it is asked now? Scalar and vector components. Scalar components are minus 7, comma 6. Scalar components are minus 7, 6. Vector components are vector components are, tell me vector components, minus 7i, next 6j, minus 7i plus 6 comma 6j. Practice makes everything to be easy. If you don't practice, just watching means you find it difficult. Watching makes you difficult. Practice makes you easy. Keep that in mind. Next question. So write. Find the unit vector. Next question. Next question. Find the unit vector. Find the unit vector. Unit vector in the direction of the vector. In the direction of the vector. In the direction of the vector. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector. So vector A equals I plus j plus 2k. So read that question, students. It's so easy question. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector. It is so easy. Solution, unit vector. So unit vector, how do you represent unit vector? Vector by its magnitude, a cap, unit vector. So vector by its magnitude, vector by its magnitude. So tell me how much is vector A? Height plus j plus 2k, length, root of I per square 1, j per square 1, k per square 4. Split it. So 1 by 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 1 by root 6, 1 by root 6 into I. Next plus 1 by root 6 into j plus 2 by root 6 into k. This is required unit vector. Next question, students. So let us move on to next question. Let us go for next question. Let us go for next question. Find the unit vector. Find the unit vector. Find the unit vector. Vector in the direction of. In the direction of. In the direction of. In the direction of vector PQ. In the direction of vector PQ, where P and Q, where P and Q are the points 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Respectively. Find the unit vector. It's so easy question, students. Find the unit vector in the direction of PQ. First, you students have to calculate vector PQ. Point P given, point Q given. Change. Whenever points are given, how do you change them into vectors? Using PVs. You make use of PVs. Solution. Vector OP. Tell me vector OP. I plus 2j plus 3k. Next. Vector OQ. Vector OQ. 4i plus 5j plus 6k. Vector PQ required. Vector PQ required. PQ. So what is PQ? OQ minus OP. Reversal. You know this very well. PQ means OQ minus OP. So write OQ, substitute for OQ. 4i plus 5j plus 6k. Multiply vector OP by minus. Multiply vector OP by minus. Minus I minus 2j minus 3k. Multiply vector OP by minus I minus 2j minus 3k. 4i minus I 3i. 5j minus 2j plus 3j. 6k minus 3k 3k. Now unit vector required. Unit vector along vector PQ. Unit vector means vector by its magnitude. Unit vector means vector by its magnitude. That is vector PQ by length of the vector PQ. So tell me vector PQ. 3i plus 3j plus 3k. 3j plus 3k by length of the vector PQ. I calculate I pakka 3 square 9, j pakka 3 square 9, 3 square 9, right? 3i plus 3j plus 3k. I write RP students. 9 plus 9 18, 9 3 are 27, root 27 means 9 3s are root 9 is 3 root 3, correct? So write 3 root 3, split it 3 by 3 root 3 I plus 3 by 3 root 3 j plus 3 by 3 root 3 k. So cancel it. Tell me final answer. 1 by root 3 I plus 1 by root 3 j plus 1 by root 3 k. We got the required unit vector. Unit vector means vector by its magnitude. So 3 by root 27, 3 root 3, splitting 3 by, finally we got it. Okay students, we shall stop. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.